Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by choosing the right wireless encryption for your network. Select WPA3 when your router and devices support it for the strongest protection. If WPA3 is unavailable, choose WPA2 with AES encryption as a secure alternative. Do not use WEP or TKIP because they have known vulnerabilities and can be cracked within minutes. Confirm the router lists WPA3 or WPA2 AES in wireless settings before proceeding to change any passwords or SSID names. Next, access your router administration page through a browser on a wired device. Type http://192.168.1.1 or http://192.168.0.1 and press Enter to open the login screen. Authenticate with your admin username and password to enter the control panel. Immediately check for and apply any firmware update to improve security and encryption support. Export or record a backup of current settings so you can restore them if. Finally, pick a unique SSID that does not include personal details or location info. Create a Wi-Fi passphrase between 8 and 63 characters using uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for maximum entropy. Ensure the security mode is set to WPA3 or WPA2 AES, and explicitly disable WPS for additional safety. Optionally enable a separate guest network with its own password for visitors. Save the configuration, reboot the router, and reconnect devices using the new encrypted credentials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.